All right, everybody, I am getting ready to go on a ride. It has been very wet here in Portland. I haven't been able to get out since the recumbent retreat, which is almost 2 weeks ago. But today is the Sunday Parkways ride, and even though it rained all night long, it's been raining all morning, it seems to be clearing, and I'm gonna brave it, head down the hill and see who's out there. It's gonna be in the northeast neighborhood of Portland today, and I have a feeling it's going to be pretty quiet, but we'll see. Let's go take a ride. Come on, Myrtle, let's go. All right, so I am approaching the Northeast Sunday Parkways, and it's still a little bit wet out here. The roads are drying, even though I can still feel some mist falling, but it's actually very warm. I'm wearing a super thin windbreaker, and I'm very warm. I have a feeling it's going to be a quiet Sunday Parkways today, but I really do like to support them. It's one of my favorite things in Portland is the Sunday Parkways. This is a ride that's in a different neighborhood once a month during the summer, and it goes from park to park. The route will take you through, like today it's in the northeast neighborhood, and it'll probably stop at 4 or 5 different parks where they'll have events set up. Vendors selling things, food to buy. Okay, we are on the Sunday Parkways. Hi. Hi, cat skirt. Meow. Meow, meow. of trees. Yay, I love friends of trees. Yay, hello tree.
It was born in Salem, and we're like, oh, let's take the chance. We're only halfway through. All right, we'll see you later.
All right, nice seeing you guys. Trike. Wow. Look who the cat dragged in.
Look, you're here.
Hey!
Sylvia is here.
Yay!
Good to see you, girl.
Always good to see you.
Look what we found.
That's amazing.
This is originally from the Netherlands, and he's given me the Paul Harvey on it, but it folds up and closes into weather protection of the cargo that could be in it.
Wow.
Or it opens up for passengers.
See, oh, look at this. It's like a bench. Wow. So I found some of my tribe out here. We're trying to figure out what the collective noun for trikes is. Somebody said a nest, somebody else said a tribe, but I think we can do better. I still haven't figured out what that should be, but we're taking suggestions. Here comes Dave. How are you doing, Dave? You having fun?
Heck yeah.
Good.
One time. Hi, sunshine. Are you having fun?
I think so.
Are you behaving?
Well, that's questionable.
Never happened.
No, I don't think so.
Thanks for letting me ride with ya.
It was a hardship. It was a sacrifice.
We manage, don't we?
Once a month.
All right. Are we peeling off here? Or?
I am.
All right, see you later.
I'll have to call you about a haircut.
Glad you got to see me.
All right, Lonnie. Nice seeing you.
Thank you, lady. Thanks again.
All right, sweetie.
Take care.
Ciao, ciao. Okay, it is wet out here. And it is time to take this ride on home. I've still had about 6 or 7 miles to go. It's gonna be wet. I'm gonna be a very wet puppy by the time I get back to the house. Oh my goodness. Wow, the weather sure has changed. And I really thought the weather was going to get better in the afternoon. I did not expect it to be raining this afternoon. And it is pretty wet out here. At least it's not cold. is left is to climb the hill back to the house, and then I'll be able to dry off and get warmed up after finishing up a very wet, almost stormy Sunday Parkways ride. But you know what? It was still really fun. So all right, you guys, as always, thanks for watching.